clean the sniper rifle, we'll assemble the cleaning rod, the slotted tip on one end of the rod, the obstruction remover on the other end of the rod. We'll install our cleaning patch, put the tip in the slot, take a pinch on the patch, run it back through, and pull tightly. Apply a couple of drops of CLP to the front end of the patch. Open the action as if we were going to load the firearm. You can also remove the bolt, but you do have the option of cleaning the bore without disassembling the firearm. In this case, we will remove the bolt. Continue to turn the patch, apply the solvent to the receiver, bring the patch into the locking lugs, continue to turn, clean the chamber, clean the shoulder. See how the swab centers the tip? It eliminates any chance of marking the bore with the tip. When you reach the bore, and simply pull that powder residue in the direction of the bullet, always away from the clean chamber and receiver. Now we'll run a brush. Remove the slotted tip, install the cleaning brush, insert the cleaning rod into the action, turn the brush. This will clean the neck, the shoulder of the neck, and then just pull that brush in the direction of the bullet, always away from the clean chamber and receiver. Now we'll use the chamber cleaning rod. Assemble the short cleaning rod with the T-handle. Go into the chamber, turn clockwise. Continue to turn as the brush reaches into the chamber and the shoulder. Now we'll assemble the cleaning rod with the all-purpose brush. Install a new patch. The procedure is to run a patch with solvent, then run the brush, then run a dry patch to mop out what the brush has loosened. We want to install a fresh patch surface because the powder residue and dirt that we pulled out of the muzzle, we do not want to allow it to build up in the neck. So put the tip in a slot and a new patch surface. Take a pinch on the patch, run it back through. Insert the cleaning rod. This time, though, insert the brush inside of the patch and work it within the receiver. Continue to turn that brush, patch in the locking lugs, turn the brush, clean the locking lugs, continue to turn, clean the chamber, clean the shoulder, and pull that patch out in the direction of the bullet, always away from the clean chamber and receiver. When the patch comes out clean, the job is done. The patch is still dirty, so we'll repeat the three-step procedure. Assemble the solid handle with the AP brush to clean areas that you normally can't reach. Use the scraper to clean the bolt face. Use the dental pick to reach areas you normally can't reach. Use the end brush to lubricate the slides. Put 1 drop of oil on the brush and paint it on the bolt and paint it on the slides. The lens brush is used to clean the optics.